Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about the Cawood and Howell classification. So basically, this classification is to tell us about the changes in the shape. So changes in shape of alveolar process of edentulous jaw. So let's understand. So we have 6 classes in it. So the first one, just remember the diagram and that will suffice all of the classification. So look at this one. So the first one, the first one is tooth bearing alveolus. So class 1, tooth bearing alveolus, as you can see in the picture. Then second is like the tooth has been extracted. So 2 is alveolus after extraction. 2. Then coming on to the 3. Now look at 3. You will see this. So this is rounded, right? So this is a 3 high alveolar process, well rounded ridge, adequate height and width. Okay, now look at the third is done. Now look at fourth. Now this is pointed, right? And the width is also decreased. Like here the width was this much, here it's decreased. So our fourth is fourth. So we have high narrow ridge, narrow knife edge alveolar process, adequate height and inadequate width. You can also see this one. Okay, now coming on to the fifth one. So in fifth you will see that now it is rounded, but it is also like flat. Look at this one also, right? So rounded, flat ridge with inadequate height and width. Now look at the sixth one, which is the last one. Now sixth. Now here you will see a concave. Can I write it here? 6. Now here you will see the flat alveolar process. So concave flat alveolar process, depressed ridge form, and it is also evidently basal bone loss is also seen. Okay, so first was tooth bearing alveolus, then was extraction, then was well rounded ridge, high and adequate height and width, then we had knife edge, then fifth one was rounded flat margin without inadequate without adequate height and width, then last one was concave flat depressed alveolar process ridge, and plus you had the evidence of the basal bone loss. So this completes the Cawood Howell classification, which tells us about the changes occurring in the edentulous arch, the alveolar process and an edentulous jaw in the shape. So if you found this video helpful, do give it a like, share, subscribe. Thanks for